Hi, it's Sam here from AC Solar Warehouse. Just got some of our products here to show you. This is our earth leakage test kit. This is designed to be mounted beside the main switchboard. All of these leads go into your switchboard, designed for your earth leakage testing, so you don't have to remove the escutcheon, which is dangerous. So you just plug in your prongs into this GPO here, and you're able to switch between all the circuits that you need to test. We can build this in any configuration you need with however many outgoing circuits you need. Over here are our gen switches, we call them. They're a generator changeover switch. We can do these in any configuration you require, either a 15 or a 32 amp inlet, single phase or 3-phase changeover switches. They come with a changeover switch operation sticker, as well as a QR code which links you to a video of the changeover sequence. This is super helpful to prevent nuisance callbacks. They also come with an air meter here, so the customer can monitor generator loading. These products are all manufactured with high quality trader gear. We really enjoy working with these products. We find them extremely easy to use. Trader's also Australian owned and operated, and this Buffalo range here that I'm showing you comes with a 10-year warranty.